Caladenia paradoxa, commonly known as the ironcap spider orchid, is a species of orchid endemic to the southwest of Western Australia. It has a single erect, hairy leaf and up to 3 small creamy white flowers. It was previously thought to be the same species as the Eastern Australian Caladenia flaccida, but is now recognized as distinct. Description: Caladenia paradoxa is a terrestrial, perennial, deciduous herb with an underground tuber and a single erect, hairy leaf, 5100 mm, 2-4 in, long and 2-4 mm, 0.08-0.2 in, wide. Up to 3 creamy white flowers 8150 mm, 3-6 in, long and 6100 mm, 2-4 in, white are borne on a stalk 150-300 mm, 6-10 in, tall. The sepals and petals have long, thin, drooping, brown thread-like ends. The dorsal sepal is erect, 5100 mm, 2-4 in, long and about 2 mm, 0.08 in, wide. The lateral sepals are 5100 mm, 2-4 in, long and 2-3 mm, 0.08-0.1 in, wide and curve stiffly downwards. The petals are 1595 mm, 2-4 in, long, about 2 mm, 0.08 in, wide and arranged like the lateral sepals. The labellum is 8-12 mm, 0.3-0.5 in, long, 5-7 mm, 0.2-0.3 in, white and creamy white with red lines and spots. The sides of the labellum have short, blunt teeth and there are 2 rows of anvil-shaped, cream-colored calli which sometimes have red tips along its midline. Flowering occurs from August to early October. Taxonomy and Naming. Caladenia paradoxa was first described in 2001 by Stephen Hopper and Andrew Philip Brown from a specimen collected near Southern Cross, and the description was published in Nature. The specific epithet, paradoxa, is a Latin word meaning strange or contrary to expectations, referring to the difficulty of categorizing this as a separate species. Distribution and habitat. The ironcap spider orchid is found on the coastal plain between Woburn and Norseman in the Avon Wheatbelt, Coolgardie, Jarrah Forest and Molly biogeographic regions. It usually grows on the slopes of ironstone hills. Conservation. Caladenia paradoxa is classified as not threatened by the Western Australian Government Department of Parks and Wildlife. References